first step for poison ivy, that's what we're doing. I'm going to do my own take on poison ivy. And the thing I like about like Arkham characters is that they don't have to be precise. Everyone is a little different. You can interpret it any way you want. At least that's how I feel about it. So first I'm going to take a headband. Now this is the one I had the fox ears on. I just kind of ripped those off, and I'm going to go in here and just make her a little crown of flowers and some just fall leaves, since it is fall, and orange and green are kind of her colors. So I'm just going to start off. I just got these at the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to start off by detaching these and trimming them up. Okay, so we're just going to chop some of these off of here. And I also want some to, like, we're going to liquid latex around the shoulders or chest or neck area. I like this one. These will just pop off of there, and then I'm going to take this and I'm going to, ooh, Eric, where's that soldering iron? Is that still in there? Can I use it? Okay, I'm going to go get a soldering device. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I just didn't feel like getting the soldering iron, so I'm just using the metal part of the glue gun and just pressing it against this plastic to help flatten it up some, to seal it. And then I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of hot glue in there and just kind of tap it so it'll seal, so that these cheap flowers won't fall apart. Okay, so here it is. I just glued the flowers on it and a few leaves. I feel like, oh no, yeah, a few leaves. And then I'm going to save the rest of these to attach to me with liquid latex. And the leaves, I'm going to be using some of the leaves for part of her eyebrow. I just want to make sure this looks okay. Kind of looks like a chicken or something, but it's okay. This is a really cheap wig. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is glue our eyebrows down. We're going to do this in a couple layers. Okay, and then once that dries, I'm going to go over it in some powder. Okay, so I've done the 3 layers of the glue and powder. Now I'm going to go in with some pale complexion, foundation. And just cover them up some more. Okay, now I'm all primed and foundationed. We're gonna start working on some color. So I'm starting with just some yellow cream because I don't have any nice yellow eyeshadow or anything. I mean, I have this palette I got at Five Below that's worthless. I might use the yellow in it to kind of seal this in, but as far as pigment goes, it's not gonna be good. Of the orange. Just, ooh, look, it is showing up a little bit. Now we're going to go in with some red. Almost like a candy corn, but I don't think there's red in a candy corn, but layered. Okay, we need to let that sit for a few minutes, and I'll go on to the eyebrows. So we have this beautiful emerald color.
Everything from grooming to emergency vet care is
This distance. As I can tell a little bit. I hate this mirror. I'm gonna fill this all in with this green. Okay, so I filled in the mask. Hopefully as it sets, you can tell that it's green. It's very emerald. Okay, now I gotta go do the lip color.
Sister, I saw it reduced to cinders.
A warning.
Maybe. That is, if you still want.
I got some liquid latex. So I'm just going to use this kind of as my glue.
I've been growing weaker. I feel.
And I put some there on my face and on the leaf. And we'll just hold it on there for a second. I think I want to put one right there.
That's all I got. I have no other skills. You can sense things that are dangerous. That is not.
She looks like a gildfish. So now we're going to put this wig on, this cheap wig.
Blood from the body. To protect the soul.
So,
Sherry's task. I saved your life enough to see like for the process. For the alpha, it's beneath you. What's my goal?
right here. This is pure bronze and brighten. I don't know if you can see that, but we're going to go in with this
Think that Michael's ascendant
metallic-y orange.
diminishes you. I will not allow you.
I kind of want this to look like a veil right here, and it kind of does.
Would you mind? My hands are just useless.
Here, I got it.
Oh, God bless you. Good Samaritan is harder to find than a cat.
Okay, so I put a little sundress on. So we're going to go and
Dear boy. Oh, look at you. Your skin is
try to highlight.
wasting away. Don't these people think?
Last night I was trying to say highlighter and I kept saying hoe lighter.
The problem is not a stack of overcooked country bars.
Gonna hoe light this hoe.
Bury them in a shoebox. They can find it. It's about John Henry. They just don't talk about your father.
Okay. Good. Now, of course, if you were doing a look like this and gluing leaves on you to wear out, you want to make sure that you dry it completely. Maybe even use spirit gum, but make sure you have spirit gum remover. Never buy spirit gum unless you're getting spirit gum remover with it. Look at that highlight on that nose. Okay, so this is my interpretation of chicken poison ivy. No, poison ivy. I like her. So, I like the mask. I'm glad I decided to go with the mask. I think that I can there.
And so we arrive at the final test. They sent you. But today I'm not asking you to perform.
There she is. This is kind of chicken looking, but if I put it on like a real headband, you can just see how lame the wig is. It's a really cheap wig, but this is it. I don't know, I was having my doubts, but I think it looks pretty good now. Let's see, I want to try something. I think she's pretty cute. She looks pretty dangerous. This right here, I want it to look like a veil, and I think I got that look. But it would be real easy to take like a piece of light orange and just glue it across the headband. But this works too if you just with the makeup. But yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to all of you later. Bye.